Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in New Jersey at Atlantic City on the Boardwalk. We're going to check out Caesars Hotel and Casino. Up until recently, Caesars owned 4 properties here in Atlantic City, including Harrah's, Caesars of course, the Tropicana, and Bally's. Caesars recently sold off the Atlantic City Bally's property, but it's going to keep the Bally's name. So that leaves Caesars with Harrah's on the Bayside and 2 Boardwalk properties, Caesars and the Tropicana. Hey, but enough about the company's properties. Let's check out the company's namesake, shall we? Like many casinos here in Atlantic City, Caesars Casino is split into 2 levels, and if you're coming in off the boardwalk like we just did, you're going to be on the lower level or the smaller of the 2 casinos here. Down here it's strictly casino business with all slot machines and table games and very few attractions and restaurants or shops, with the exception of KWI Noodle House, which we're going to pass in a moment. And this is that KWI Noodle House. At KWI Noodle House, diners can savor the pleasures of both classic and unique Asian cuisine. And like I said, unless you're gambling or checking out KWI Noodle House, there's not much more down here, so let's head upstairs because there's a lot more going on up there. Hold on tight. As soon as you come off these escalators, you'll notice located across from the exciting table game action on the Caesars Casino floor is 2100 Bar and Lounge, which offers guests an upscale bar and lounge experience with over-the-top cocktails and some of the area's top DJs. Some of the unusual cocktails include the Alice in Wonderland, the Unicorn's Breath, as well as Bright Idea, which is served in a light bulb with a flamingo straw.
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
We're heading up this staircase to check out Nero's Italian Steakhouse, which offers oceanside dining in a magnificent old-world setting. Entrees feature prime-grade steaks, delicious pastas, and a fresh seafood selection that you won't find anywhere else. In fact, Nero's was named the best place for a steak in New Jersey by NewJersey.com. And if you're feeling a little extravagant, ask the host about Betty's Back Room here at Nero's. Betty's Back Room is one of the best hidden treasures in all of Atlantic City. You don't even need a secret password to get in. Plus, with their updated menu, there's a lot of exquisite fare that you won't be able to find up front in the usual Nero's. Alrighty, let's head back towards the casino area and see what else is going on up here at Caesars. In the middle of the casino, they have some water features, including this waterfall area that kind of hides an escalator on the other side. And I don't know if you can see or not, but lots of coins in these water features, probably from people in the casino hoping for some good luck. And here's another fountain with lots of coins in it. I like gathering up these coins and taking them straight to the slot machines just a few feet away. Okay, I'm only kidding, people. I'm sure these coins go to some well-deserving charity. Here we have some of the shops here at Caesars in Atlantic City, including Caesars Essentials and Caesars Exclusively. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And there he is, the man himself, Caesar, probably best known for adding a raw egg to salad dressing and inventing the crouton. Seriously, it's true, I read about it on a lot of menus. This place always intrigued me. It's kind of like a deli slash bakery slash coffee cafe slash 7-Eleven, a little bit of everything. Straight ahead is Morton's Steakhouse. Sinatra and cocktails set the mood as generous portions of USDA prime aged beef and succulent seafood and classic steakhouse sides arrive at tables dressed in crisp linens. Guests indulge in martinis, world-class wines, generous porterhouses, and decadent desserts. Here we have the Caesars front desk or reception area. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And here we have Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill, modeled after the famous concept bought by the Michelin star chef to Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. The Atlantic City menu features British pub favorites like Scotch eggs, shepherd's pie, ale-battered fish and chips, and the famous Hell's Kitchen beef Wellington, yet it also boasts items that change seasonally, showcasing the area's freshest fare and ingredients. The website says Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill is the best spot in Atlantic City for a true, authentic British pub experience. And I was about to debate that, saying Rira at the Tropicana is the best pub experience, but Rira is an Irish pub, and Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill here is considered a British pub. I've had fish and chips at both Gordon Ramsay's and Rira, and both are excellent. Alrighty, we're going to head up those escalators that were hidden by that water feature and see what's upstairs on the third level here of Caesars. Hold on tight. Sorry for the wonky quality of the video, the camera's not cooperating right now. So coming up here is the Palace Court Buffet, which is currently closed. And it's kind of creepy up here. I feel like I'm the only person up here. And I have a feeling if I wanted to live up here for a month, no one would even notice I was up here. But then again, I don't think I'd want to live up here for a month. Alright, that was a little creepy, even for me, and I enjoy creepy once in a while. We're gonna head back downstairs so I can get back out on the boardwalk, but leave a comment below. What'd you think of Caesars today? Hold on tight. Thanks for coming along today. I had a great time recording here at Caesars today, and I hope you had a great time viewing the video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.